Hello and welcome back to Van Ventures. We're still in Tennessee for 2 days visiting family, and then after that we're heading out west. The current plan is Death Valley for probably about 2 weeks, and then Joshua Tree. We're really hoping to do some of this winter stargazing with some clear skies and some dark sky areas. If you've been watching the channel long, this video is a little different from what you're used to seeing. It's a crude, a little raw, a little jittery. It's actually from recovered footage off of a GoPro session from 2016. I recovered the footage and made this video for Haley's birthday. It's of our honeymoon. I hope you enjoy it. In 2016, Haley and I had finally saved enough money to have our honeymoon. We decided to go all out and head to Kauai for a week. Our plane got in late, so all we had time to do is take a quick look around at our bungalow, and then we headed to bed. We awoke to birds chirping and roosters crowing. We took a quick moment to take it all in, and then we headed out for our first day on the island, enjoying all the views along the way. On our second day, we come across this tree tunnel. Unfortunately, an earlier hurricane had damaged the tops of most of the trees. It was still a pretty cool experience, though. For our first hike, we wanted to start off easy, so we did one suggested to us by our host at the Hanakapiai. After our hike, we still had time to drive out and see Waimea Canyon, or as it's also known, the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Van Ventures is usually frugal, but on this once-in-a-lifetime trip, we wanted to have a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And let me tell you, no regrets. As we continued to explore the island, we found all kinds of stuff, like this awesome tropical garden just right off the side of the road. We also took some time to explore the neighborhood that we were staying in. It had plenty of fruiting trees that we got the opportunity to enjoy, and it also had one awesome tree that you could sign with a pencil and it would last for years. So we added our names to the many others from years earlier. The beach access was right across the road from the bungalow we were staying in. It was a little bit of an obstacle course getting to it, but once we were there, we had the place all to ourselves every single day. This was our first serious hike of the trip. It was only 4 miles out and back, but the deep water crossings and extremely slick mud and rocks made it the most challenging hike we had done at the time. I felt the waterfall was worth the challenge. Haley, I think, still disagrees. By this point it had rained quite a bit, and it was a pretty slick, muddy trek back out. Back at the Hanakapiai, we spent the rest of the evening just hanging out and relaxing. On our way to the last hike of the trip, we got a chance to check out this very popular overlook. This was my favorite hike of the trip. The varied landscape and boardwalks made it extremely fun and interesting. Sadly, the weather turned on us and we didn't get to enjoy the view at the end. I still really enjoyed the hike though. One last sunset from the tallest mountain in Kauai, and then it was back to reality. Thanks for coming along with us. I hope you tune in next time for even more adventure with Van Ventures.